Okay, the mnemonic that we used for rigging the boat was "My joy is rigging correctly." We're going to do that in reverse. So it's going to be centerboard, rudder, jib, then the main. The first thing I need to do is pull up the centerboard. The centerboard's locked in the primary cleat, double locked in the secondary cleat. I can now coil the rope up. And hang it on the cleat. Now I'm going to pull the rudder up. That's all there is to it. Tighten the rope here. I'm going to keep the rope tight. And tie a clove hitch here on the end. And we're good to go. Now I'm going to drop the main. Nicely coiled the line. I'm sorry, not the main, but the jib. My joy is rigging correctly, right? So the jib's going to happen first. Unclip. Jib's down. Now I can take the main down. And remember, because of this ring here, this end of the halyard can't go any further than the top of the mast. The trick here, of course, is to try and do this without getting the sail in the water. I'm going to quickly just untie this. And then I'll park the end of the halyard right here on the ring. And we're good to go. All right. The jib halyard tension device here. I'm going to hook in the ring. I'm going to take the hanks off the jib. When I do that, I'm going to park the halyard on the ring and continue taking the hanks loose. Again, one of the primary focuses of the exercise is to do this and keep the sails out of the water. And then we're going to be good to go.